For the last 2 years, our offline classrooms have been buzzing with energy, ideas, and growth. What started as a small vision has now become a thriving community of over 2,000 learners all across India. From DSA to data analytics, MERN to JBDL and data science, thousands of students have walked into our centers in Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pune and walked out with real skills, real confidence, and real outcomes.
Hi everyone, my name is Karthik Narwal. I am from Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have recently completed my BTech in Computer Science Engineering from UPS Dehradun in 2025. After the joining MERN batch, my thoughts about the MERN is completely changed from the scratch. A big thanks to Vikas sir, my mentor. He just not teach the concept of codings and MERN. He also teach the concept of how real world and tech industry work. During my MERN training, I have worked on 2 projects. First one is a optimized delivery route program, and the second one project is infirmary management system. In this project, I gained the knowledge about the how authentications work, how database is designed, and how a full stack MERN project works. Today, I am very happy that I am placed at GeeksforGeeks as a computer science content writer. Thank you so much for GeeksforGeeks and Vikas sir for helping me to start my career, and I highly recommended everyone who want to start their tech journey.
Hello, myself Shivam Pamar. I am currently pursuing my BTech first year from college GNIOT. I am here to attend GfG workshop at Kolkata Centre. I come to know about GfG from my uncle, currently in the same field, software engineering at UK, for my board purpose in CS subject. This is my second workshop in this Kolkata Centre. It was good and it was a quite of learning experience from here. From the first year perspective, a clear approach to some concepts. I would definitely recommend to my friends to study from GfG.
I am Prashant Kumar, a second year student at VRSCC. Currently, I am pursuing my summer internship at IISc Bangalore.
So Prashant, you have been part of a DSA training at GfG. So how has it helped you grab that internship?
I do GeeksforGeeks DSA training and I built my DSA skills from the scratch, and now I am confident about my coding skills and cracking interviews and DSA rounds.
So that's very great to hear, Prashant. Once again, congratulations for your IISc internship.
And now, we're ready to take the next step. We're excited to announce our next offline center in Kolkata, launching in January 2026. A brand new space for learning, building, and transforming careers. But that's not all. We all know that winters are the perfect time to upskill, so we're launching our winter training program starting 5th January 2026. A 15-day power-packed learning experience designed to give you the hands-on mastery and industry-level exposure. 2 course tracks to choose from are MERN Full Stack and Data Science, and the best part is you won't just learn, you'll build. Real, practical, and industry-ready. Projects that you can showcase as mini, minor, or even major projects in your resume with industry-level certification. 15 days, focused learning, exclusive projects, and a stronger, sharper resume by the end of this. The winter training program will now be available at all of our offline centers in Noida, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and Kolkata. If you're ready to start 2026 with skills that actually move your career forward, this is your moment. Start building and start growing with our winter training program. Step into this new year, future ready. So what are you still here for? Go and register and start your journey.